Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Mommy Bay and we're showing you or giving you an update on one of the largest investments China has made in Jamaica. China Harbour Engineering Company is building a massive development down here. It's almost like they're building a city. And recently China has given Jamaica a lot of help or donations after the passage of Hurricane Melissa. A lot of times people give these Chinese contractors a hard time for the work they do in Jamaica, but China has done a lot to help Jamaica, especially after the passage of the hurricane. So recently, China donated 10 trucks to Jamaica to help with the relief effort. And the Prime Minister, at the handing over ceremony for these trucks, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, thanked China for all that they have done for Jamaica. Now, China is also pledging more equipment to be used in the clearing up process. The trucks are just the beginning. And China also sent a Navy ship or a floating hospital, a hospital ship, I should say, to Jamaica after the hurricane to help in the recovery effort. And that ship really was a game changer for Jamaica. It helped a lot. It actually brought up a question as to whether Jamaica should have its own medical ship because of how useful this ship was after the hurricane. So we're going to go through and give you an update on what the Prime Minister said, thanking China. When Hurricane Melissa passed through Jamaica, it left behind more than just fallen trees and damaged roads. It exposed how vulnerable small island states are to extreme weather, and at the same time, it highlighted the importance of international cooperation in moments of crisis. In the days following the hurricane, Jamaica received critical support from the People's Republic of China, a gesture that Prime Minister Andrew Holness later described as both timely and impactful. While disaster recovery is often measured in money and materials, this response showed that true assistance also comes through expertise, logistics, and long-term planning. One of the most visible symbols of that support was the donation of heavy-duty equipment, including tipper trucks for the National Solid Waste Management Authority. These trucks are not just vehicles, they are tools of recovery. In a country where hurricanes can generate thousands of tons of debris in a single day, efficient waste removal becomes the difference between quick recovery and prolonged disruption. However, the most profound contribution may have come through healthcare. China's hospital ship, the Silk Road Ark, arrived at Jamaican ports and transformed them into temporary medical hubs. For many Jamaicans, especially those in storm-affected communities, access to advanced medical care so soon after a hurricane was unprecedented. The mission demonstrated how disaster relief can go beyond emergency food and shelter to address deeper health needs. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness has expressed gratitude to the government of the People's Republic of China for its unwavering support to Jamaica and its people in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, which devastated sections of the island. The Chinese government has been very good to us, Dr. Holness affirmed during a ceremony to hand over the 10 new tipper trucks valued approximately 200 million to the National Solid Waste Authority at the agency's headquarters. He advised that once received, the equipment will be placed in the custody of the Jamaica Defense Force. The JDF will keep them in their fleet, but they are technically owned by the National Works Agency. So in the event of an extreme weather event, for example a major landslide that will require more than just a private contractor, the equipment will be stationed with the JDF where they have an where they have an engineering core and they can be mobilized to deal with this, Dr. Holness explained. All right, guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.